LEDs, and I'm behind a Tesla, which has, in my opinion, the best LED headlights on the market. My headlights are shining past him. I don't know if you can really tell right now, but it seems like Tesla headlights put out a lot of light to the left and right. I mean, super bright, right in front of the car and right out to the side. Brighter than mine is out to the side. But it don't shoot down the road like my headlights do. I can see my headlights reflected on the wall in front of the Tesla, where the Tesla headlights give out. They don't shoot down very far. I think these Right-Tune hyperboloids are better than the Tesla. The output is really amazing to me. Just how bright and powerful this is, I can't get over it. Alright, now you get out the way. Let's see how mine. I don't know, man. It's a little weird, but that's what I think. Man, this thing is spoiled. And the high beam really ain't no joke. I'll show you those in a minute. Hell, I'll show them to you now. Look at that. Serious light. Serious light. Can't beat these. I mean, they shoot way down the road. Way down the road. What I tell you about the DVR mirror? You can even see my little turn signal light on the ground behind me. Yeah, I mean, it's just so fire. It's just so fire. Alright, here we got a dark exit. Dark exit coming up. You can really see the power of these things. I mean, there's nothing stock. Hey, you bastard. Nothing stock coming out the factory that outputs like these. Ready? It's a little difficult to tell with the other light around, but